these curls come back to life. These curls come back to life, baby. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. Today, guys, we are talking about this big, beauty, fluffy unit right here from HerGivenHair. Shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. I'm going to be showing you guys basically how I style this hair, how I deal with this hair, how I moisturize, condition, all that good stuff, a few styling options, and I'll talk about this wig and let you guys know how I feel. So if you're interested in this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned. Okay, so this is our wig right here. This wig is freshly washed. This is a couple days old. I shampooed, I conditioned this hair. You can also co-wash this hair, but I like to run my conditioner through it. And this is what she's looking like. And the curls are looking nice and fluffy, nice and defined, nice and beautiful. So let's go ahead and put this on. So this wig right here, this is perfect for no edges. I didn't slick any edges. I'm really excited about this. So I've actually wore this wig already, so I already know how she's going to look. So this is just like those other headband wig, guys. It comes with your band, and the beauty is that you're getting this bang. You're getting this bang to cover up those edges. You're gonna get one comb right here. You're gonna get a comb on the side, right here, comb in the back, and the Velcro to snap the wig. So let's go ahead and put on this wig. All right, so we just put this on. Wig always makes me laugh when I put it on. So I'm just adjusting this wig. All I'm doing is putting it on like this, and I don't know why I wore this turtleneck, y'all. I was trying to be cute. So I'm just adjusting the band in the back, and it's really simple. All you do is adjust like that. Can you see with my turtleneck? This is gonna be a look. Alright, so as you see, you put this on your head fresh after shampooing, and she's going to need some work. So I'm just going to fix her up a little bit. So this bang for me, personally, is just a little bit too long. You can slide it back some, but I've worn this wig already, and I already know. I'm just going to cut off just a little bit. I don't think you need to cut too much, but she is a little long. Alright, and now we fluff. like to use this glosser on my wigs and a little bit of sheen. So this is a lot of hair, y'all. Like, this is some big hair, but if you like hair like this is for you. So now I'm gonna go in and put a headband on and watch the magic happen. Okay, so they sent these scarves. I never used to use these scarves, but because this hair is so big, I feel like she needs this. I just feel like she needs something big. Sorry, y'all. The wig is so big that I felt like the turtleneck and everything was kind of overpowering it, so I just had to change my clothes. So I want to go in with the sleeve. I feel like this will be super pretty with the sleeve. They sent the sleeve, so let's go ahead and put the sleeve on. Sometimes it helps when you actually take the wig off, but oh, take the wig off. Oh, that's cute. This is gonna be cute. I already know. All right. So I put a little bit of moisture right here on the bang, and if it's looking a little white, it's because I wet it a little bit. But yeah, this hair, woo! This hair is big. I really like the sleeve. If you have thinner edges or don't have edges, I really like the fact that I can cover it up and not show my edges. I did not sleek my edges for this wig, okay? And I'm really feeling that. You can also put this up if you want. Let's try to put her up. And this is the last style. So what I did is I just went ahead and put her up. I did wet down this hair a little bit because as I was playing with it, it was getting a little dry and it was kind of hard to maneuver. But once you wet it, look at these curls. Look at these curls come back to life. These curls come back to life, baby. HerGivenHair does not play when it comes to quality. They really specialize when it comes to quality. So I like the fact that the curls do bounce back. This is a lot of hair, okay? So this is a coily textured unit and it's big. It's very, very big. You have to treat this hair exactly like it's your own. You have to put moisture on it. You have to condition it. You have to you need to treat this hair like you would treat your natural hair, okay? I did shampoo and condition it. I use this curl enhancing smoothie, and I also like using a serum, and I also like going in with a high spray on glosser because I find that sometimes this hair does look a little dry sometimes, but once you wet her and get her back to life, she's gonna be okay. I do like the fact that this is a good unit for those not wanting to expose their edges with the headband wigs. You get this bang, you know, and then if the bang is too much, you can either kind of clip it or push it back a little bit. I did just snip it just a little bit and push it back, and I feel like that works a little bit better for me. But it could also be the length that I got. So this is a lot of hair, but this also, keep in mind, this is an 18-inch coily wig. They do have different textures. This wig also does start at 10 inches. That price is $201. If you do get the specs for my specific wig, it is $360. But keep in mind that that price can alter depending on the length of the wig that you get. So I do have the coily texture, which is 3C to 4A. You can also change the texture of this one. You do not have to get the texture. You can get coily, you can get kinky, you can get curly. You can even get the kinky blown out one. So they're different textures. I like the fact that there's different lengths, there's different textures. There's versatility. There's a headband wig out there for everyone. Thanks again to HerGivenHair for sending me out this wig. I really appreciate you guys. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig. What styles do you like? Do you like it up? Do you like it down? Do you like the bangs? What are we thinking about this wig? So they are running a special. You can get anywhere from $10 to $80 off depending on the price of the wig. I don't have anything else to say. I think this is a great investment for people that want headband wig options that have thinning edges, and this is also a great option for an investment wig, okay? If you're looking for a wig that's gonna last a while, HerGivenHair, they are the top of the top, baby. I don't have anything else to say about this. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.